Welcome back. Let's get you now a report of how the government is making a big step to actually promote religious tourism. How? They've started a special train service that will begin from Delhi Safdarjung station and visit 7 different destinations and locations linked to Lord Ram across the country.
A journey of faith steeped in luxury. The Sri Ramayan Yatra on board the special Ramayan Circuit Pilgrim train. Under the IRCTC's Dekho Apna Desh initiative, the special train from Delhi left Safdarjung station on the 7th of November. The trip will cover 7 holy destinations during the course of 17 days. Ram's birthplace Ayodhya is the first destination, followed by Bihar Sitamarhi, associated with goddess Sita, culminating at Tamil Nadu's Rameshwaram, which has a special mention in Ramayan. A total 132 passengers are on board the Ramayan Yatra train. Tickets for the 17-day journey cost 83,000 rupees for second-class AC and 1,02,000 rupees for first-class AC travel.
पेरेंट्स के लिए बुक कराया मैंने सेकंड एसी में बुक कराया टिकट, और टिकट बुकिंग का प्रोसेस बहुत इजी है। जब स्टेशन पे एंटर किए तो ऐसा लगा एयरपोर्ट पे आ गए। सीरियसली फर्स्ट टाइम देखा मैंने अपनी लाइफ में, इवन मदर फादर ने भी। तो अरेंजमेंट अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Need of passengers for hygiene, safety and even choice of food is looked after. Senior IRCTC official Achyut Singh gave India Today a complete tour of the on-board facilities.
जहाँ भी जाएंगे वहाँ बसों से लेके और होटल तक सारे जो जगह हैं वो सब 3 स्टार और इस तरह के होटल्स रखे गए हैं। एसी बसें हैं। दूसरा, ट्रेन बहुत ही साफ सुथरी हाइजीनिक है। हम लोगों को सामान से लेके उनके खुद के सारे लोगों को हाइजीन का ध्यान रखना। आप अगर देखेंगे तो इसका जो किचन है बहुत ही आधुनिक किचन है।
This journey would begin on 7th of November. And it is a 17-day journey which would go to 7 destinations. The first destination being Ayodhya, from where this train will move towards Sitamarhi. Sitamarhi is considered birthplace of Ma Sita, who is also the wife of Lord Ram. And from there, the final destination would be Rameshwaram, from where the train will come back to Delhi. And people, the travelers like him, are completely satisfied with the health, hygiene and safety. 3 most important things for such a long journey.
The passengers were all smiles while sharing their excitement.
The travel will be so superb and comfortable that the people are looking for. But we don't have to see anything. We are just boarded in and everything will be provided from here. This is really wonderful.
इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम लगा ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा। हमने तो सबसे पहले टिकट बुक कराई। जैसे ही पेपर में पढ़ा तो सबसे पहले टिकट बुक कराई हमने कि हमें तो जरूर जाना है। कोरोना के बाद शुक्र है हम ऐसे घर से निकले बाहर।
The second trip of Sri Ramayan Yatra will commence in December and the booking for the same has already begun. With Amit Bhardwaj on board Sri Ramayan Yatra train, Bureau Report, India Today.